All right, so we have the lobster assassination kit. You got your tickler, you got your net that you tickle them into, you got your buoy with your flag because you don't want to get hit by a boat, and then that's what you end up getting if you do that. That's it. That's pretty much how you do it. All right, this is lobstering 101.
Got yourself a tickle stick. Not everybody can get a custom-made one like this. Tickle the lobster out, walk backwards against the ground, and then you grab them.
And that's it.
That's it. Well, you got to measure them then.
And then what do you measure them with?
This caliper.
All right, so if they're, okay, can you show us on one of them?
Yeah. Okay. So the front half of the corpus, you put your caliper against the base there, and if it fits over his septum, then it's illegal. If it doesn't, it's legal.
Okay. How to know if a lobster is legal or illegal?
Measure the carapace.
You measure the carapace.
The carapace. I thought that was something you put on toast.
Yeah, you can. But if it fits over, it's illegal. If it doesn't fit over, like it doesn't fit over in between his nose right there, his septum, we'll call it, then it's legal.
That baby is so legal.